Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use File Manager in Laptop Full Guide. Start by opening the File Manager, locate your Documents folder, and create a new folder called Practice to organize sample files. Next, try moving a few files into that folder using drag and drop or cut and paste, then rename one file to test editing. This hands-on approach builds confidence navigating folders and managing files effectively. Learning navigation shortcuts speeds up daily work and reduces frustration. Practice back and forward navigation, then use the address bar to paste a folder path for instant access. Memorize Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, and Ctrl-X for rapid file moves, and add frequent folders to quick access for one-click opening. Try creating keyboard shortcuts for apps and folders, and test them to confirm they launch the right location without extra mouse steps. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, smart mapping, and reliable pickup make it a tidy helper while you organize files. It saves time so you can focus on productivity instead of sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Good organization prevents lost files and speeds retrieval when deadlines loom. Start by grouping files into clear folders and use consistent naming like Project Report V1 to track versions. Use the File Manager search box to locate files by name or extension and apply filters to narrow results quickly. Consider adding tags or labels for priority items and archive older files to an external drive to keep your main folders uncluttered and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.